Well, so we have slide pickup number 2 from the Yeezy restock. I really like my Yeezy slides. I have the flax colorway already. I picked these up as well. I bought them at the same time. They just ship differently. Going with my typical Yeezy size of size 9 has seemed to work. I have tried these on already. I couldn't help myself just to see if the sizing was different. Same fit. I even have the glow greens coming. I bought on Goat. Man, I get it with the Yeezy slides. They are like the greatest slide of all time. Let's kick it. So, slide on the box. Here we go. Salt, salt, salt. Size 9 Yeezy slide. Let's pull these bad boys out. These are that jam. A nice neutral gray. Soft gray, if you will. Big piece of foam. Hard to go wrong with a big piece of foam. Super duper squishy. Adidas logo on the inside. I mean, super duper squishy. Now, this is typically the slide to wear with the socks. You know, that's when I mean, I'm not going to let you guys have to look at my toes and everything. I'm going to do the on foot with socks. But I mean, there's not a whole lot to cover here aside from its super hype slides. Retail price of $70, which I did get them for retail. And even from the resale market, they've come down exponentially. They're around $90, which for some of you, that may be insanity for a slide. And you know what? You're not wrong. That's crazy talk. Even at $70 for retail, that's crazy talk. I get it. But after you get a pair, you understand why people are into them. Believe it or not, they look great with pants, with shorts. Summertime, walking down the beach, I'm sure they're great. I don't know if and when I'll do that with these. I like wearing them around the house. I like running errands. I ran to Walmart twice in my other ones recently. I wear my brown ones, the flax colorway, wear them all the time. Almost daily since I got them. And these are going to sub in and out because this is extremely neutral. This goes with everything. When you don't feel like throwing some sneakers on, you just want to slide your foot in, have some comfort, roll with it. That's what these are good for. These are actually awesome, honestly. Like, I'm very impressed. Now, when they were hitting $200+ on the resale market, that's just ridiculous. No, hell no. There's shoes I don't want to pay that for that are highly sought after, let alone a slide. But there's a big caveat here. The experience of wearing these, they really are impressive. They are. They are some of the most comfortable things I've ever worn. Moral of the story is this is a great slide, and I'm eager to put them on feet. Let's do that now.